Good evening, tubers. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Today is the 29th of November 2021, and we have been on a Decentraland tirade. And I just wanted to tell you that it's amazing to me that there are still people looking at the whole crypto space as a fad. I saw a video with Dave Ramsey in it, just really dogging Bitcoin. Like it was just a joke. And he was talking about the more traditional methods of investing. And I'm probably gonna have to do a video on that, just so people understand. I love Dave Ramsey. I love what he does. I love the idea that he preaches, the whole idea of financial independence. But dude, this guy doesn't know anything about crypto. He actually doesn't. And he just thinks it's like gambling. But anyway, well, I'm gonna get off Dave Ramsey. We're gonna talk about Mana Coin today. And here I'm sitting over here on Crypto Bubbles, and you can see Gala is up 64%. ENS is up 74%. Of course, Mana Coin up 25%. You can see that we've got a couple of things that are metaverse, like I said in earlier videos, that are holding their own, okay, in the midst of this environment. And I think it's just an exciting time. We click on Mana here, we can see that it is sitting at about $9 billion at its market cap. And we can see that we are not at the all-time high of $5.62, but we are hovering around that $5 mark. And in previous videos, I have stated that I do believe that there is a potential for Mana Coin to go to $16. I even made a case in one video that it is possible that in the next 4 to 5 years, we could see $100 Mana Coin. And I just want to reiterate where I'm coming from with that, with a little bit of input about Facebook itself. You know, the fact that Facebook and the fact that Mark Zuckerberg renamed his company Meta, has adopted the technology underneath Mana and Decentraland as a core part of the metaverse, it's just, it changes the whole perception. Mana is not its own thing anymore. Decentraland is not its own thing anymore. Being a part of the Facebook metaverse changes the game. And I wanted to just show you a couple of numbers about Decentraland in general that makes it a good fit for the Facebook metaverse. Look at this, a quick Google search on, does Decentraland require virtual reality? Is Decentraland a VR? Let's just go through these. So Decentraland is a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum blockchain. Users can create, experience and monetize content and applications. You can see how Facebook would need that. What is needed to play in Decentraland? All you need is an installed digital wallet and at least 100 mana. Hello? They didn't mention any other coin. They said Mana Coin, okay? Okay, let's do it again. How is Decentraland powered? Let's see what it says. Decentraland is a virtual reality platform powered by Ethereum blockchain and allows users to create and experience and monetize content and applications. Can you see how that would be useful to the Facebook metaverse? Which virtual world is best? Okay, this is a lot of people have different ideas about this. Second Life, World of Warcraft, Sony PlayStation Home, Sims, IMVU. Okay, it's what you're into, right? Can you make money on Decentraland? In the metaverse, Decentraland is it is possible to buy parcels and digital land, develop them, and flip them for a tidy profit. There are surely multiple other ways that you can make money from Decentraland real estate, but the point is that real money can be made. So it's going to be more than NFTs, okay? Let's keep going. Let's take a look at some more of these. They're talking about, is Decentraland slow? What is Decentraland built on? Okay, we already know it's built on the Ethereum network. Okay, virtual world built on Ethereum. What is Decentraland used for? Let's look at that. It's a decentralized 3D virtual reality platform that consists of 90,601 parcels of land. Virtual real estate in Decentraland are NFTs, which can be bought by the cryptocurrency Mana. This is just beautiful. What is Sandbox crypto? Okay, we'll say that for a different video. What coin does Decentraland use? Okay, anybody want to take a guess? Mana coin. Decentraland is a Ethereum token that powers Decentraland. Okay. Can you mine Decentraland? Probably. Breaking news: Decentraland users can now mine Mana on their laptops. How about that? So that gives you a little understanding. If you don't walk away with anything else, you should understand that if Facebook adopts Decentraland as their core virtual reality platform, or one of the main ones, hey, it's powered by Mana, period. You didn't see anything talking about this other stuff. Now, that doesn't mean that they're not going to use Sandbox. That doesn't mean that. They're going to use all of them. But if there's a lot of things that are going to be sitting in the Decentraland part of the VR space within the metaverse, and Facebook is going to use it, Manacoin is going to rule in that area. And to that end, I wanted to talk about the demographics for Facebook. How many people use Facebook in 2021? Let's just take a look at this. This is a really good page on Backlinko. I want you to take a look at this. It talks about the key Facebook statistics. Look at this. Facebook daily active users is right now 1.9 billion daily users. Okay, access Facebook's platform, a 6.89% increase year over year. Okay, Facebook monthly active users right now is at 2.9 billion monthly users. Facebook reported that it removed 1.7 billion fake accounts in the second quarter of 2021. India has the most Facebook users with over 260 million, followed by the US at 180 million, and Indonesia 130 million, Brazil with 120 million. Facebook is the largest social media platform globally at 2.85 billion monthly active users worldwide, followed by YouTube with 2.3 billion. I'm going to say that again. Facebook, not YouTube. Facebook is the largest social media platform globally with 2.85 billion monthly active users, followed by YouTube. Highest traffic of Facebook is on Wednesday at 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. 60.42% of the world's active internet users access Facebook monthly, and 73.13% access family-owned services, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp every month. DApps, and a list goes on. But what I want to focus on is this 2.9 billion monthly users and this reach that spans different countries. I want to hone in on that, and just to make this simple, I want to make sure we understand what we're talking about here. This one line here, the implication of it. Imagine if one day you go into your Facebook account and there's a new button and you can click on VR or click on Decentraland or click on Horizons, and now all of a sudden you leave Facebook proper. Okay, I don't know if this is how they're going to implement it. It remains to be seen how they're going to implement the metaverse, but I would imagine they would have some way to launch into the metaverse off of the Facebook platform. And if that, why would I say that? Because they got 2.85 billion people looking at this. Now, what if all of a sudden 2.85 billion people have a new Mana wallet that they didn't even ask for? Is anybody hearing what I'm saying? 2.85 billion people now have the opportunity to create a Mana wallet if they didn't have one. Doesn't cost them anything. And what if all of a sudden they want to be able to interact inside of this metaverse, and it doesn't require VR, but it still, we already read that if you're going to be inside Decentraland, you need at least 100 mana. Folks, what is just 10% of 2.85 billion? What is that? 285 million? What if 285 million people had 100 mana coin? Let's go back over here and see what it said, right? It says over here, I believe, it said right over here that in Decentraland, you have to have, let's see, it says, what is it powered by? They said something about, okay, here it is. You need 100 mana. Okay, how much is mana coin today? Mana coin is right at $5, right? You need 100 of them. So that's $500 worth of mana. Hello, what if Facebook all of a sudden allows these people, and we don't get but 10%. We don't get but 10% of the people that have access to Facebook. If we had 10% of the people that have access to Facebook, okay, just 10%, 285 million people spend $500, because that's what's required in Decentraland. Now, I don't know what they're going to work out. This is just all, you know, conjecture, hypothetical. 500 times 285. Oh, my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What is this? 1.4. What is that? Oh, my goodness. 1.4 to, I don't know what that is. 1.4 to the 11th? What is that like? What's 1.4 to the 11th? I'm trying to get you to see the impact of what is about to happen. Okay? There are 9 zeros, okay, in a billion. This is 1.4 to 11. Was that 11 zero? Was that like 100? What's that, $100 billion? What is that? I said in an earlier video, okay? I said in an earlier video that it was plausible that Facebook's interaction with Decentraland and adoption of it, the implementation of Decentraland metaverse inside of a Facebook construct with this many people having access could be seriously explosive. It's the kind of explosion that people don't understand. This ain't no Sheeb explosion. This ain't like Doge. This is like 2.85 billion people just got access to freaking Decentraland, whether they wanted it or not. And if they want to see what's up, they got to put up $500, or maybe they'll change the rules to play in there, just to walk around in there. And oh, by the way, guess what? Facebook explodes, Decentraland explodes. And of course, this is not financial advice, but if you should just happen to be listening to this video and Crypto Big Boss is right, your wallet explodes. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and the analysis that I'm giving you. It's here, folks. The time is now. 2.85 billion people on the largest social networking platform the world has ever known may have access to a metaverse that adopts the Decentraland profile with, of course, Horizons that is built underneath Facebook. Can you imagine the implication to what the value of Mana Coin will actually be? Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the next one.